what's your favourite thing about the James Morrison
My
Festival?
favourite thing about James Morrison is the great heritage he bequeathed to the people of Riverside.
What's your favourite thing about the festival, lads?
Oh, everything. The music and everything.
Great,
and meeting all the lads.
What's your favourite thing about the festival? What is it?
Fergus.
The crack. The people on the crack. The people on the crack.
And your favourite?
Fergus.
Joanne, what's your favourite thing about the James Morrison Festival?
Oh, it's so good to meet up with old friends and play a few tunes in my local town, and it's such a fantastic weekend.
Brilliant. What's your favourite thing about the James Morrison Festival?
Well, the welcome here from everybody is just absolutely first class, and the range of music and song and stories and everything is just brilliant. So it's a great festival overall.
Brilliant. Ryan, what's your favourite thing about the James Morrison Festival?
It's great for meeting up with people that you wouldn't usually see around. But you get great tunes and great tunes and get to meet up with people as well. So it's great. Yeah.
Thank you. Ladies, what is your favourite thing about the James Morrison Festival?
Well, I'd say it's lovely meeting a few friends for tunes, and just the end of the summer after all the busyness. So.
Excellent.
All the great sessions and all, meeting all the people.
Brian, what's your favourite thing about the James Morrison
It's
Festival?
the crowds that come here every year, and the entertainment that's provided, and the music sessions are brilliant in all the pubs, and of course you have this special session on the Saturday night as well, which is always very enjoyable.
What's your favourite thing about the James Morrison Festival?
Just the impromptu music all over the place. It's a lovely little spot, nice quiet spot. The standard that the music has reached here over the years is unbelievable.
Hello! What is your favourite thing about the James Morrison Festival?
There's a great atmosphere in the village today. There's lots of live music and dancing. It's brilliant. We love it.
Yeah, I'm meeting up with so many friends from over the years. We've been here now a few years, and we've always enjoyed meeting everything.
And not to forget 𝐻𝐻𝐿.
And not to forget.
What is your favourite thing about the festival?
Tunes. Food.
Tunes.
Food is serious. Food is the fresh air.
Lads, what's your favourite thing about the festival?
Oh, definitely the music.
Oh yes, and the beer.
And the beer. And the crack.
And the crack, great crack altogether.
You can drink and drive. You
What is your favourite thing about the James Morrison Festival?
Music, cool. August crack.
The British Army.
John, what is your favourite thing about the James Morrison Festival?
The same as Brian. Just the music and meeting a lot of friends.
And Lorraine?
Oh, sure, look. I suppose I have to say the youth session that's going to be happening on Sunday at 5 o'clock. Very important. Get all the kids
Get
out
yourselves
there.
down there.
Yeah.
Thanks a million, guys.
Thanks, Emer.
Kevin, what's your favourite thing about the James Morrison Festival?
Oh, meeting Eileen after all those weeks. and being allowed to come to Riverstown and the lovely warm welcome and to see Emer Mulvey and all our lovely dancers. Up you by ya!
Yes, the reception we get when we come here, like I get out of the car and people start shouting straight away, you're here, you're here. So it's just a lovely atmosphere, as Kevin said, a lovely welcome.
Lovely sunshine.
About the James Morrison Festival?
All the crowds and just like the good fun.
Excellent.
And the ice cream van is here now, so it'll be such a good crack. And yeah,
off you go dancing, so we'll see you later.